Hello science fans, welcome to Ames Laboratory. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this rocket go sky high. Here we have 2 milliliters of vinegar, and then take some baking soda. Then put it in this rocket. Make sure there's no vinegar on the rocket. Then it immediately start to fit.
Shake it up 3 times.
Shake it up 3 times. Put it down, stand back, and then it will explode. That's what happens when you mix vinegar with baking soda. That's it for now, science fans. That's how you make a vinegar rocket go sky high. See you next time on another science experiment on Ames Laboratory. See ya!